Welcome to Alcove. We're thrilled to have you here. From sourcing to purchasing to projects, financials, and client invoices, Alcove combines the power of a procurement management tool with robust project management capabilities. Alcove centralizes and automates how you manage the back end of procurement and the front end of client relationships. Get ready to experience a new era of interior design procurement and project management. Let's get started. Get started with Alcove by creating your first project and adding your first product. It's easy. Just enter your project name in the left navigation and start adding products. There are several ways to add product information into the application. Install Alcove's Chrome extension into your browser to effortlessly bring product information into Alcove directly from your favorite vendor sites. Want to import products in bulk? Use Alcove's spreadsheet template instead to import large numbers of products all at once. If you are transitioning from a different project management system, Alcove supports imports from many other design systems. Simply search our help articles for step-by-step instructions. Before you get started, I recommend you head over to the resource section to access helpful content. You can even load a fully populated demo project to see Alcove in action. Alcove features several robust integrations that fit seamlessly into your existing workflow. The QuickBooks integration synchronizes your system of record with your accounting software by syncing estimates and invoices with your QuickBooks projects for accurate account reconciliation. You can also connect your Stripe account to collect payments from customers directly through invoices. Stripe's processing system allows for multiple payment methods, including Apple Pay, credit cards, direct deposits, and more. Product tracking is a breeze with Alcove's integration with FedEx, UPS, and USPS. Automatically track the status of your shipments directly from Alcove and receive real-time notifications as items move through the logistics network. Alcove also features a Gmail integration that allows you to send and receive emails as well as organize your email threads by projects and product-related conversations. And finally, in need of collecting signatures from customers and stakeholders? With Alcove's DocuSign integration, you can easily send all documents generated in Alcove, like project specifications, estimates, invoices, and purchase orders, for signatures with no hassle. The overview page provides a bird's-eye view of your projects. At a glance, navigate to key aspects of your project and receive alerts for products about to ship and those about to be delivered. The interactive graph shows the number of products at each tracking stage for your project. Hover over any section to see the number of products at that stage, or click to view a filtered list of all products in that stage. The product status page lets you and your team view the full list of products specified for each project and filter them by room, vendor, approval status, tags, product type, and more. Label each product with a unique ship-to address. Whether products ship to your local receiver or directly to the project site, you'll always know where every item is headed. Add product lead times by clicking the clock icon and entering the number of days or weeks. Once you enter an order date, the clock icon will calculate the estimated ready-to-ship date based on the lead time. Add tracking information directly to the truck icon. Alcove integrates with FedEx, UPS, and USPS for automated tracking. Simply click the truck icon, select your freight carrier, and enter the tracking link. This will activate the truck icon and automatically update the product status. For LTL freight carriers, select the carrier from the list, or create a new one and add your Pro number. Alcove offers several shipping statuses for each product and a unique tagging system that provides further details on each status. Tags are fully customizable, allowing you to mark items as damaged, backordered, delayed, or any other status you need. Recording order, shipped, delivery, and installation dates is easy. A gray-colored date indicates an estimate or projected date, while a black date shows that the product has reached that status and the date is now actual. If you need to share product information with clients, contractors, or stakeholders, you can do so by multi-selecting the items you wish to share and clicking on the share icon. You can also create a custom PDF document with detailed product information or generate a Google Sheets spec book for further customization. Let's start with custom PDFs. Choose to generate a PDF with multiple products per page or a single product per page. Multiple products per page are useful for sharing a few data points, while single product pages are better for detailed descriptions and more images. Customize the data points and create templates for predefined sharing settings. Generating spec books is easy with Alcove. Click the share icon, select spec book, toggle the data points you wish to include and send. You'll receive an email with a link to your new Google Sheet containing all the product information. Welcome to the Product Hub, where all your product-related information is at your fingertips. Here, you can access comprehensive product details, product costs, and markups. Easily navigate to important documents such as estimates, invoices, purchase orders, and quote requests for each product. At a glance, see product lead times, order status, key dates, and more. You can also see all the comments your clients have made on this specific product via the client portal, along with photos and feedback from your local receiver. Thanks to Alcove's Gmail integration, you can view any email messages related to this product and access any attachments shared in those messages. Beyond its robust software capabilities for procurement and project management, Alcove also offers a procurement management and purchasing service. This service allows you and your team to fully delegate and automate the procurement process. If the product you've specified is from one of our verified vendors, the quote box will automatically activate, enabling you to request a quote directly from your product hub. Alcove features many popular vendors in our industry. If your product is from an Alcove verified vendor, simply click on Request a Quote, and Alcove's procurement team will receive your request and revert the quote as soon as possible, most times within the same day. One of the biggest perks of ordering products through Alcove is that the lead times, order status, product status, dates, and tracking information will be automatically populated in your product hub and product status page. This means less manual recording on your end and more streamlined processes. Once you receive the quote from Alcove, check if the price is equal to or lower than the rate you've been quoted. We always strive to give you the best pricing possible, so be sure to send us a note directly on the quote page if the pricing seems higher. Once you receive a quote response, you can accept or decline the quote. Accepting the quote will generate an Alcove order in your orders section. These Alcove-managed orders are easily identifiable with the checkmark icon. The Alcove order will sit in draft state until you are ready to place the order, so feel free to take your time to request more quotes, get approvals from customers, and collect payments. Once you are ready to place the order, mark the order as Submit for Payment in the top right corner of the order. This will notify our team that you are ready to place the order. We will go ahead and generate an invoice and attach it to your order. You will also receive an in-app notification with a link for the payment. Remember that we have a team of to-the-trade specialists working in the back end that act as your procurement team. So feel free to ask us questions about customization options, lead times, or anything that can help. Our team will support you every step of the way, even when items arrive damaged. Our team will file claims with vendors and collect any information to make the process smoother on your end. Our goal is for you to focus on what you do best: creative design. Leave orders and logistics to us. Create and manage your purchase orders directly from the left-hand navigation. To create an order, simply click on the plus sign and select a vendor. Add as many products from your project as needed. Only the products from that specific vendor will appear. Select and add those products to your purchase order. The totals in the purchase order will be calculated based on the unit price, not the client price. Ready to share this purchase order? Use Alcove's Gmail integration to send the order to a vendor using your email. You can send it as a PDF file or a PDF link. Alcove purchase orders also feature a section to record vendor invoices. Enter the invoiced amount to check for discrepancies between your purchase order and the vendor's invoice. You can also upload a PDF invoice to keep everything in one place. Easily record payments made to the vendor for this order by clicking the plus sign to enter the payment details. Finally, the Orders Overview page allows you to see your full list of purchase orders for a project, with at-a-glance visibility into the total value of orders, amounts paid, balances due, and more. The financial summary allows you to see your project's financial progress at a glance. You can inline edit any amounts, such as unit cost, retail price, markup, and more. This matrix acts as a calculator to determine your overall costs and profitability per product. Mark products and shipping as taxable or not, and add shipping costs. The financial summary bar is a fantastic tool to track your most important financial metrics. See how much the client is paying, your costs, overall shipping costs, taxes collected, and most importantly, your overall profitability for the project. Watch these numbers change as you filter the list by criteria such as room, product type, vendor, approved items, and more. You can even filter the numbers based on products only, services only, or both. The Project Financial Summary page makes it easy to stay on top of your project's financial health. Achieve clarity and maximize profitability effortlessly. From the Financial Summary page, you can easily multi-select items and generate a new estimate. Estimates are designed to present your client with a comprehensive breakdown of costs. You can even sync estimates with QuickBooks for seamless financial integration. At the top, you will see a summary of total costs to you and the client, along with your firm's profitability. Feel free to sort and rearrange line items to customize the estimate and add more products and services to the estimate as needed. You can also include tear sheets as part of your PDF to provide detailed product information. To preview the document, simply select Preview and see how your customer will receive it. From there, feel free to download the PDF or send it through your email from Alcove. Thanks to Alcove's integration with DocuSign, you can even send this document for e-signatures. Finally, you can convert any approved estimates into an invoice by clicking on Generate Invoice at the top right corner. Client invoices in Alcove are similar to estimates, but with one key difference. They include a payment box to facilitate the collection and recording of client payments. When sending an invoice to a customer, you can use Alcove's integration with Stripe to collect payments through credit card, Apple Pay, ACH, or other payment methods supported by Stripe. To activate the payment link, simply toggle on the Add a Payment Link button. Your invoice PDF will then include a link for easy payment. You can record a payment manually if you prefer to receive payments directly to your bank account or via checks. Just click on the plus sign in the payment box and enter the payment amount. A retainer is a fee paid upfront by a client to secure the services of your business. This fee typically covers costs associated with the project and is paid before any work begins. To create a retainer, simply click Create and add a description for this retainer. Just like invoices, you can send retainers to clients via email as a PDF, allowing them to submit payment easily. The retainer acts as a financial commitment from the client and is often applied towards the cost of services and purchases. As the project progresses and your business incurs billable hours or expenses, the retainer amount can be partially or fully applied to a generated invoice. The amounts collected in these retainers can be applied to any invoice, ensuring seamless financial management throughout the project. The client portal is a unique link generated from your project, easily shareable with your customer. It serves two main functions. First, it collects digital approvals from customers on your proposed products per room, shares budget progress, and gathers client comments. Second, it allows customers to see the order and shipping status of approved items. The client portal does not require a login from your customer. Simply share the link, and your customer can view all the specified products for each room, review budgets, and approve or deny items, as well as comment on each product. Comments made by customers on each product will appear in the Comment View section directly in the Product Hub. When sharing the client portal, you have full control over what information to share and how to collect approvals. Visit the Settings page to select the options that best match your business model. For example, you can enable approvals on each individual product or allow clients to approve rooms as a whole. Toggle on or off data fields that are private to your firm, such as product URLs, vendors, and unit costs. The next section of the client portal is the product status. As items get approved, they appear in this tab, allowing clients to see shipping status, tracking information, delivery address, and more. You can turn off the product status view if you prefer not to share this information. The client portal is a fantastic resource for communicating with your customer and relaying important information, all while retaining full control over the level of visibility and transparency. The receiver portal is a unique link you can generate from your project and share with your local receiver. You can find this link by navigating to your project's overview page and clicking on External Pages. The receiver portal link is generated by ship-to-address, so if you have multiple ship-to-addresses in your project, you'll have multiple receiver links to share with those in charge of receiving your merchandise. Now, let's take a closer look at the receiver portal. Here, your receiver will see a full list of your products, so they know what to expect to receive. They will also be able to see the order status, tracking information if available, and important dates. Receivers can add comments, upload images, and mark items as delivered, damaged, or inspected. All these actions will trigger a notification in your notification center and will be saved in your product hub for easy reference. Even if your receiver does not interact with the portal, you can still share this link for informational purposes, eliminating the need to manually build a list of expected items. Simplify your receiving process and stay informed with Alcove's receiver portal. Alcove features a section that aggregates all your activity per vendor across all your projects. These are called vendor pages, located by clicking the people icon in the top right corner of your screen. Alcove pre-populates many of the industry's preferred vendors, but you can easily add your own if you can't find them on the list. Notice that some vendors have a check mark next to them. This indicates that these vendors are verified by Alcove and are part of our procurement management and purchasing program. Click into any vendor page to see, at a glance, your total number of orders across all your projects for that vendor, damaged rate, balances due, products en route, and more. Move to the next tab to see a full list of all the orders placed with this vendor. Next, you can see all the products you've specified from that vendor across all your projects. Save your favorites for easy access or duplicate products into a new project without re-entering any product information. Finally, add a trade vendor contact to see a complete list of emails exchanged with that vendor and any shared attachments. The vendor management pages are a fantastic way to zoom out and see your interactions with each individual vendor across all your projects.